What's going on? My name is Michael Petty. So I want to show you how I am using Power Lead System to build my residual income on the side. I don't even have to promote it up front, even though I do here and there. Mainly I focus on building it in the background. So simply, I drive traffic to this capture page. This capture page is going to do it all for me. Going to earn me $2,000 commission. It's going to build my residual. Even through Power Lead System, I can earn a $1,500 commission all through this simple lead capture page. And let me show you how I do it. So after this lead capture page, they're going to be taken to the sales page that I created using Power Lead System. Person read this information. They watch this presentation by Exitus Elite. As you can see, Exitus Elite has a call center that will answer my prospects' questions, and they will sign the person up and send me the commission. Okay. And of course, using the call center, that's an 80%, 20% split, which is perfectly fine because all I did was cut a video just like this, did a simple post. The person went in, entered their name and email address, watched the presentation. The call center closed my sale, and I got paid. I literally did 10% of the work, right? They did 90, and I get most of the money. Great. Perfectly fine with me. Okay. Shows I earn a commission inside of this opportunity, contact information. They can go ahead and get started inside of Exitus Elite. But as you can see at the bottom, it says Power Lead System, right? The tools for pages and follow-up, and you can read the rest of that. When they click on that button right there, it shoots them over to the AI sales page. And I went through this sales page and I made it more me, kind of edited it to fit more of what I wanted to say. So your sales page will have a lot more information in it than my has. But a person goes through, they watch this presentation, they can get started for a 7-day free trial. They can go all in, or they can take an irresistible offer where you can make a $50 commission. Again, my picture, show is me, show this is my platform. Okay. Now, this one thing I like about it, like this is why I say it's hands off. Okay. Because let me show you this, right? A person say, let me test this out. Let me meet David. Okay. So you click that button and then you begin the process.
Hello, my name is David. Thanks for connecting with me. May I have your first name, please?
My name is Michael.
Great to meet you, Michael. What's on your mind today? Are you curious about the Power Lead System or looking for ways to generate income?
I'm currently doing a video showing how you work, how simple it is to make additional money without me having to spend a lot of time promoting it.
That sounds like a fantastic project, Michael. The Power Lead System really shines in its simplicity and automation. With our AI-driven tools, you can generate leads and follow up without spending hours on promotion. The AI handles the heavy lifting, calling, texting, and emailing your leads, while you focus on other things or simply enjoy the benefits. It's about working smarter, not harder. If you need any specific details for your video or have any questions, just let me know.
I appreciate it. So to throw it out there, so what if a person makes the decision to get started, what all do they have to mainly focus on?
If someone decides to get started with the Power Lead System, they should mainly focus on a few key areas. 1. They can either run their own traffic using social media, email marketing, or join our AI-powered co-op for done-for-you leads. 2. Utilizing the AI to follow up with leads through calls, texts, and emails. This ensures that no leads slip through the cracks. 3. Participating in the weekly Fast Start trainings to understand the system better and get tips on maximizing their success. 4. Establishing clear objectives for their business, whether it's generating a certain amount of income or building a customer base. 5. Consistency is key. Engaging with leads and being proactive in their marketing efforts will yield better results. By focusing on these areas, they'll be well on their way to making additional income without spending too much time on promotion.
So as you can see, it does the selling for you as you focus on just building your primary business. There's some additional information about the system. That's our CEO. I literally just had a conversation with him on Facebook, and he get to you fast. If you got any questions, he's there. He helped close your sales. Amazing owner. Here's some more additional information. This is what you get with the AI system. And like I said, you can create your own pages and funnels to promote whatever you want to promote. I use it to promote Exitus Elite. I love this system. You can get started for a free 7-day trial, $1.80 a day after your 7-day trial. Get 3 people and the system is free. So now you have a free system to promote whatever you want to promote. $1,500 commission, $20 residual income, plus a 50% matching bonus. Now, this is what I personally had to say about this system. I never thought building a residual income, even making cash flow, could be this simple. I drove traffic to the system. As you see, I'm showing you what I'm doing. This is the simplicity of it. I am home with this system for life. That's it. Hands down, Exitus Elite and Power Lead system is it for me. You can go ahead and start your free trial. You just read over all this information if you like to. So in what ways do I promote it? As you can see, I use Power Lead system to create my copy and paste swap file. So this is all made using Power Lead system pages. Just scroll down to the bottom. When you enter your name and email address and the link below, you're going to get access to this. Okay, as you can see right here, advertising Power Lead system. You click on this page. You scroll to the bottom. A lot of information here too. A lot of ads there. What do you see? Even in my team bonuses, a guide to how to make consistent sales. You're going to get this when you become part of my team. Solo ad marketing, step-by-step guide to organic marketing, social media marketing, how to brand yourself. You're going to get these guys when you become part of my Exitus Elite team, right? And again, Power Lead system is being promoted. I just focus on driving traffic to this. From here, does all the rest for me, right? Not only going to get those bonuses that I showed you here in the guides and everything, but you make the decision to partner with me at 500 or higher, I'm going to run traffic to your link to help you get more potential sales. Also, you make the decision to go big in your business. Go in at the G2000. Not only going to get those ads, not only am I going to run traffic to your link, but I'm also going to help you get qualified, adding you to my rotator. So when you get qualified, every commission and every prospect will be yours. So I'm going to help you cover the pass up. But in order to take advantage of that, you must give me a call. Call me directly so we can have a discussion, so I can let you know how you can fully take advantage of that particular one. Come into G2000, I'm going to help cover your pass up by adding you to my rotator. So give me a call if you want to know more about that. I appreciate you taking the time to get this information and to watch this video. My name is Michael Petty. Talk to you soon.